You've seen the demos, you've heard the hype, but what does a real high-level setup actually look like? The kind that powers thousands of businesses and helped me scale to 7 figures. That's what I'm showing you today. My exact system. Same funnels, same automations, same workflows, all loaded into a clean account, so you can see everything without me blurring out client data the whole time. I've been using high-level for over 6 years. I've broken things, rebuilt them, and landed on a setup that actually works. 3 agencies, over 6 figures a month, every month, all running on this one platform. So if you've been wondering whether this thing is actually real or just marketing hype, let me show you inside. All right, so this is what you see when you first log in. One dashboard, everything's here. Now on the left, you've got your main navigation. Conversations, calendar, contacts, opportunities, payments, automations, funnels, websites, reputation, all of it. Before this, my day started with 6 tabs. Calendly for booking, ActiveCampaign for emails, ClickFunnels for funnels, a separate CRM, all stitched together with Zapier. It worked until something broke. And something always broke. Now though, there's just one login, one tab. Everything talks to everything because it's all in the same system. Before this, running my business felt like cooking in 6 different kitchens. There were different tools and different tabs and nothing synced or talked to each other. But now with everything in the same place, I can move fast and everything's right where I need it. Let me show you how the pieces actually connect. Let's start with the funnel builder, which you get by clicking on sites and then funnels up here. The funnel builder is drag and drop simple, nothing complicated. Now, when you want to create a new funnel, you can click up here and create one from scratch. You can use Funnel AI to help you create one in seconds, or you can do what I usually do and just pick one from templates as a pretty good starting point. So let's do that now. Let's find a template we can use for a life coaching client. So we'll scroll down here, we'll pick, how about this one, and we'll click it. So it gets installed automatically into our account. Inside the page, you can edit anything. Text, images, buttons, forms. If you used Canva or any other kind of basic design tool before, you can do this. All we have to do to change the text is just click into it and then start typing. We can also move things around by clicking and dragging and dropping them and moving them anywhere that we want on the page. We can add things, we can delete them. We can essentially just customize by clicking a few buttons. We can change the images on the page by just clicking them and selecting a new one by uploading something here. We can even use AI to help us generate entirely new images that we can then, well, copy and paste into the page. Let me open up another one. Here's one of my actual capture pages. Simple headline, clear promise, short form. This page alone has generated over 100,000 leads. And watch this, page is already mobile optimized, so you don't have to build 2 versions. And there are hundreds of pages to choose from for webinars, free guides, booking calls, applications, all built in the same system, all connected to the same CRM. No Zapier, no integrations to maintain, it just works because it's all in one platform. But a landing page means nothing if you don't follow up fast, so that's where automation comes in. So this tab right here on the left, automations, well, this is where the magic happens. Here's my speed to lead automation. Watch what happens automatically every time a new lead comes in. First, a form gets submitted. This is someone contacting us. Then an SMS goes out instantly within 60 seconds, letting them know that we've received their application. From there, the system then automatically qualifies or disqualifies them based on their application questions. And then they get a custom email confirmation. If they're qualified, the system sends them an email with a calendar booking link asking them to book a time to chat. If they book a time, we're all set. If not, the system follows up with spaced out messages reminding them before finally adding them to a long-term nurture sequence. And when it comes to long-term nurture sequences, I've already got the whole thing loaded up and ready to deploy. All you've got to do is swap out a few words in order so they fit your business and you're good to go. I currently send around 3 to 5 million emails a month, and the scripts and templates that I have saved here may look simple, but they're some of my highest converting scripts ever. The big thing here though is that I didn't do any of that manually. I set it up once and it runs all on its own every single time a lead comes in. Here's another one. A comment to DM automation, or as I like to call it, comment to client. How it works is that someone comments a keyword on my post. They then automatically get a DM with whatever resource I promised. We respond to the comment, we add a tag for internal notifications so we can keep track of them and walk them through the process. Then we wait and we use these automations in order to find out whether they reply or not. If they don't, we send one quick follow-up message, simply a prompt in order to elicit some kind of feedback, and then the automation's done. This one automation alone has helped me generate over 5,000 leads a day, all from organic content, without needing to spend a single dime on ads. And if you've ever been ghosted on a sales call before, then you're gonna love this one. This is my no-show prevention sequence. First, they get a confirmation email with the date, time, and details for their call. 24 hours before the call, they get a reminder email. 1 hour before, they get a reminder email and a reminder SMS. That's it. And this simple automation alone helped my show up rate go from around 60% to over 85%. just from this. This is what I mean when I say that the system does the work. You build it once, it runs forever. Imagine waking up to booked calls, replies, and new leads, all handled while you slept. But now let me show you where all these leads actually live. So this is the CRM. This is where every lead, every contact, every conversation lives all in one place. Now, obviously, this is a clean account, so I'm the only one in there. But here's what a contact record looks from one of my other accounts. So you can see their name, their phone, their email, how they found me, what pages they visited, every email and text we've ever exchanged, all right here. The beauty of this is that there's no more digging through your inbox trying to find that one message. It's all just logged automatically. And this is the pipeline view. It's here that I can see exactly where every deal is. New lead, hot lead, contacted, booked, closed, all dragged and dropped to move them through the stages. Or you can have the automations do all of this automatically based on whatever trigger you decide. If you've ever used a spreadsheet to track clients, this replaces that, except it actually updates itself. Now let me show you how booking works. This is my calendar setup. I set my availability, connect my Google Calendar so it checks conflicts, and creates a booking link. This is what the client sees. They pick a time that works, fill out a couple questions, and they're booked. No back and forth emails, no, let me check my calendar. As soon as they book, they get the confirmation. Then our no-show prevention automation kicks in automatically. And here's the key. If they need to reschedule, there's a link right in the reminder because it's easier to reschedule than to ghost. That alone cuts no-shows dramatically. So they've booked a call. But what if they reply with a question before the meeting? Well, that's where this saves you hours. This is the Conversations tab. SMS, email, Facebook messages, Instagram DMs, all in one inbox. Now, like I said before, this is a blank account, but let me pull up a blurred out copy of a previous conversation so I can show you what it looks like. So, as you can see, here I can see the entire history with someone right here. What they filled out, what automations fired, what messages we exchanged, and I can reply from the exact same place, whether we're talking via text or email, whatever. Before this, I was jumping between 5 different apps just to have one conversation, but now it's all here. This is what I mean by one system. It's not just marketing. This is literally how I run my business every day. But now let me show you something that clients love. This is the reputation management section. It's here that you can see all of yours or your clients' Google reviews. You can respond to them, and most importantly, you can automate asking for them. Now, you can, of course, send these requests manually by clicking the Send Review Request button up here on the top right. But let me show you my review request sequence, which is completely automated. After a job is complete, a client is signed, or any other trigger you want to assign to this, I put a wait period of 21 days in. After all, it doesn't really make sense for someone to hire you and then you just immediately ask them for a review before you've done anything. But anyways, after that time, they automatically get a request to leave a review via SMS, and then we follow up with an email as well. For agencies, this is your secret weapon. I'll get you 20 plus 5-star reviews in 30 days. Well, that's an offer that most local businesses can't say no to, and you can deliver that by adding this automation for every new client they sign, or even better, reaching out to their previous customers and simply plugging in this exact same automation. All right, one more thing I want to show you. You see, everything I just showed you, you don't have to build it from scratch. High Level has something called snapshots, which is basically a way to clone an entire setup. The funnels, the automations, the workflows, everything, and then import it into your account with just one click. So, this is my snapshot, the same system I use. When you sign up through my link, you get access to this. You import it, you customize a few things, and you're operational. No starting from a blank dashboard, no guessing how to set things up. You start with 6 years of refinement already built. So that's what my high-level setup actually looks like. One dashboard, funnels, automations, CRM, calendar, conversations, reviews, all connected. This is exactly what I mean when I say that you can run your entire business on one platform. Is it perfect? No. There's a learning curve. Some features are a bit buried, but after 6 years, I haven't found anything that does all of this in one place at this price. Now, imagine logging in tomorrow and seeing the same system already set up, already working. Well, that's what happens when you click the link below. If you're serious about building to 10K a month, or you're already there and you want to scale to 20K or 30K a month and beyond, this is what I use. One platform, simple systems, 6 years in, and I'm still here. This exact setup took me 6 years to build, but it'll take you 6 minutes to install. Use the link in the descriptions to start your free trial, and you'll get my complete system, including the snapshot I just showed you. One click and it's in your account. Links in the description. And if you're still wondering whether High Level is actually worth it, I made a full breakdown after 6 years of daily use. That video is right here. So I'll see you in there in just a second.